I want to show you 3 super fun games to do at the beginning or at the end of class to get your students warmed up or for extra practice and fun revisions. There are lots of different games and fun teaching tools on French Games Online. The great thing about these activities is that they work for all students, as you can adjust the level of complexity to your needs. So they're great fun for beginners, but also for intermediate or more advanced students. So today we're going to look at 3 games. Here we go. Game 1 is La Roue, the spinning wheel. Click on Set Content, pick from one of the many ready-to-use themes, choose multiple themes for more advanced students, or even upload your own content, and spin the wheel. La Roue is a really versatile tool with endless possibilities for classroom fun. There's so many ways to use it, you can be as creative as you want. For beginner students, use La Roue for learning and reviewing vocabulary. For intermediate students, you can use it to practice sentence structure or asking questions. And for more advanced students, it's great for working on conversation skills or conjugation and grammar. You can ask your students, can you name this word? Can you spell this word? Can you describe this word? Can you use this word in a question? Find a word that rhymes with this word, or use this word in a sentence using a specific tense. To step up the challenge, switch the settings to translation or audio only. Game 2 is Les dés à images, image dice. Students love this game. It's great to review vocabulary, practice spelling, noun, gender, sentence building, and writing skills. Click on Set Content, pick from one of the many ready-to-use themes, choose multiple themes for more advanced students, or even use your own content. Click on Add a die to add as many dice as you wish, and click on Roll to roll the dice. The great thing with this game is that you can start with just a couple of dice and keep adding more dice for extra challenge and fun. Ask students if they can name each word, which words are feminine or masculine gender, put these words in alphabetical order, arrange words from shortest to longest. How many words can you use in a single sentence? Or even build conversations starting with j'aime or je n'aime pas. Game 3 is Les cartes à lettres, letter cards. This one is great for learning the alphabet, reviewing vocabulary, or practicing spelling. It's got a little extra competitiveness to it as well, as you'll see that the cards have points. Simply click on Add a card to select how many letters you want to play with, and then click on Voyelle or Consonne to choose how many vowels and consonants you want. Then you can ask students to find a word using some of these letters, challenge students to make the longest word. How many words can you make? How many points do your words add up to? Find a word that begins with each letter. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel it was useful, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Merci!